I finally took the decision to quit to my job, to quit to my studies, and to embrace the greatest adventure of my life that today has me here with you in the Philippines. God working in all the story of my life and calling me every time, in every situation.
Today we gather not only to celebrate, but also to thank God for the blessing of this spiritual twinning. The title and recognition given to our parish are not just honors to keep, they are a mission to live. It will be a blessing or a grace that alive in us.
We're just not some people who are invited to a huge celebration or to a spiritual twinning. That's not enough, because we are Christians and so we are sent. You know, there's something beautiful about Tagalog, and I'm gonna make a confidence here today that I requested to the doctor and to Danville to tell the chorus to sing the ama namin in Tagalog, because it is for me the most beautiful expression of how it actually sounds to call to the Father Aba, Padre. It is that Jesus have this grace of the Lord to be in contact with His Father, but not also to be in contact, but to be one with Him. Yeah, it's so beautiful. What you have in Tagalog, it's so beautiful, but it's so intimate, that like the things that we are listening in the gospel, the intimacy with the Lord is one important thing in our life.
At naniniwala po ako, yung tinanggap nating titulo kahapon, yung pagdating ng papal nuncio, magdadala ng malaking biyaya sa bayan ng Candaba. Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon.